vibration won't do you no good. It won't do you no good. You better start rolling when you hear the man call. It won't do you no good. It won't do you no good. No, we don't mind if you don't mind. Hell, I'll never mind. Now don't let them all break you. Let the feeling come take you. It won't do you no good. It won't do you no good. And you know I got fever. So when you hit me right, you know you might as well. It won't do you no good. Said it won't do you no good. And I said, kiss your baby goodbye. Come on, low, it's alright. Heaven knows they wanna break you apart. Yeah. Kiss your baby goodbye. Come on, low, it's alright. You never know unless you give it a try. Oh, baby. Say, do you know good? Can't fight the temptation when you get the vibration. Won't do you no good. Won't do you no good. And you can tell I got fever. You try to shake it off, try it all you want. It won't do you no good. Said it won't do you no good. And I said, kiss your baby goodbye. Come on, love, it's alright. Heaven knows they wanna break you apart. Yeah. Kiss your baby goodbye. Come on now, it's alright. You never know unless you give it a try. Oh, yeah. No, no, baby.
Spring 2020 snow goose season, the conservation order. Eaglehead Outdoors. We're down here in the boot heel of southeast Missouri. Nice wind conditions, good sun today. We're shooting quite a few birds, had a couple big spins. Conditions are right for what we want for snow goose hunting. Get some sun and wind. Hope for the best every day. Every year's a little different with the hatch of birds. This year's been pretty good so far for the guys down in Arkansas, as well as today, first day, everybody's killing some birds. So it's been a good start. Shot a band on the first day. It's always a good memento to start out the season.